How's it going? I hope you're doing very well. My name is Diane. Welcome to my video and also welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're coming back. Today is Friday or Friday. So I just got home from work. I have been waiting all week because I really wanted, and I have been waiting to unbox my new Beis purchase. If you're into Beis, I absolutely love Beis. I love their luggage. I have converted all of my luggage and several of my other travel related bags to Beis. And so for today, we are going to be doing another Beis unboxing and unboxing the Beis work tote. Also, I ordered the pouch set in the new summer release, the berry color pink. And so we will unbox it together and see what it looks like. And if you are interested in Beis, or if you're interested in these items, I will link a link down below where you can save some extra money with your purchase if you click through the link. So that's for you to save some extra money if you're interested. Let's get started. So whenever you open up Beis packaging, it's always very well presented. And on the inside it says, "We've all got baggage, glad it's Beis." And then so in here I have, this is the berry pouch. This is the work tote. So let's start with the work tote because this is like what I really have been waiting for. I've never had anything croc. Usually I'm not a fan into the textures, but for some reason I think it just works. And this is what the front looks like. There's just this like Beis tag that comes with it. And then otherwise there's a little Beis logo right there. This is what the croc leather looks like up close. Otherwise, I think it looks like a very professional boss lady bag. I'm super excited about it. It's structured without being like super heavy. It's actually very lightweight. And then the bag has these very nice, there's a lot of space, like drop length wise, 2 shoulder straps. And the shoulder straps also have the, what's it called? The like croc look to it. And then let's do the exterior first, and then I'll kind of show you the interior. So this is what one side looks like. And this side I think is the side for the drink pocket. So it kind of pulls out, and I've seen pictures where people can put their like reusable water bottles or drinks, stuff like that here in this pocket. Here's what the back looks like. So this side is the side that has the trolley strap. So there's a zipper on the bottom, and then when you unzip it, now this entire thing is like a flap. So then you can put this on your luggage as you're rolling through the airport, or if you're not using it as a trolley strap, you can zip it up, and then now you have a flat pocket where you can put stuff right there. And then right here on the front side, you can also see there's a little zippered pocket. You know, you can put whatever you want for convenience. And then on the other side, this is the last side on the side, there is another zippered pocket. So just on the exterior itself, there are several different pockets. So it's good for organization. And this side pocket is about half the length of the bag. And on the inside, it's just like a nylon interior. This is what the bottom looks like. There are 4 feet. And let's see, let me show you the top. What's really nice about this work tote that I love is the fact that it is a zippered tote bag. So if you can see here, not only is it zippered, you can see there's a nice long tail. So then you can really open up the tote bag really widely. And then also the bag has these D-rings, one on each side. And it also comes with a shoulder strap. So here is the shoulder strap that it comes with. This part is just the seatbelt material. And there's the padded part that has the croc look to it. Before we go to the interior of the bag, it measures 14.25 inches in width. It is 11 inches in height. And then the depth of the bag is 6 inches in depth this way. And then so overall, just feeling this, it looks like it's a very nice size in terms of, it can be like a catch-all for your work stuff in terms of fitting a laptop, the cords, the chargers, like if you have an agenda or a notebook, a drink, a sweater. This bag can hold all of that, but at the same time, this bag actually does not feel that heavy. So far, so good. Now let's go to the inside. The zipper is a like muted black, and then there is the Beis logo right on there. And then when you open it up, starting from this side, this right here is a padded laptop sleeve. And then there is this little Velcro strap right there. And then the Velcro strap also has the black croc detail. And then, so when you open it up, yeah, this part right here for the laptop, this is a very padded sleeve. This is my Apple MacBook Pro in the 13-inch. And so let me just put it in there. It definitely fits inside there, and there's definitely a lot of room to spare. And then so I know at least probably a 15-inch laptop would fit in here, because my little MacBook Pro, my 13-inch, is swimming in there. And then on the front side of the laptop sleeve, there's this croc detail. And then if you can see here on this side, there are 2 pin slots. And then there are 2 flap pockets. So here's one right here, and then here's another flap pocket. So you have 2 more pockets right there for organization. And then let's go to the other side. So on the other side, it comes with this like divider pouch. And this divider pouch I really like. So I'm just gonna take it out and I'll show you. So first of all, this is in the black croc print. I'm into this. Tell me what you think down below, but I just like how it adds texture and makes it a little bit more unique. And this is a really big size. Like, to show you, this is my 13-inch laptop, and my laptop will easily fit inside this extra like pocket. I could either use this as a separate laptop holder if I wanted to, or you could open it really wide and you can put your cords, your chargers, any other like things in there. And then on the inside you can see there is like, it's like a nylon material. And the other cool thing about this, if you can see here, so if you see there are these buttons, when this is in the purse, it kind of like clips to the side and it acts as a divider and or slash pocket. And then when it's out, you can kind of close up and it hides those little buttons just to kind of finish off the look. So it's not as obvious that this was like an insert. I thought that was very thoughtful. So that's what it looks like with the cover on. And then, so going back to the tote bag, so if you look here on the side, that's where the divider would actually clip into there. And there's one on that side. Otherwise, on the back side, this is just a big zippered pocket. And once again, on the front side, it has the croc look to it. And then that's what the size of the pocket looks like on the inside. Otherwise, the rest of the bag is just a open tote bag. And then as you can see dangling here, there is a key leash. And then on the end of the key leash, there is that little claw clip thing. And then so that's pretty much it. And so yeah, I am actually on call tomorrow. I have a very long 24-hour shift in the hospital. So I have been, and I am looking forward to using this tomorrow to hold all of my stuff for work. The other thing that I ordered and I wanted to show you was the Beis Cosmetic pouch set. So I've been eyeing this for quite a while, and then when I saw that Beis release the berry like pink color, I totally could not resist. This is one of their like new release summer colors. This is in the berry color as part of their Sherbet Collection. It's like a very cool pink. It's a mixture between pink and purple when you see it in person. So that's what it looks like. This pouch set comes with 2 pouches. There is the large pouch, and then there is also the small pouch. And you can get both of these pouches together for $38 on their website. And like I said, this is in the berry color. If you're not into this color, the Sherbet Collection also has a bright orange. There is a green color, and then it also comes in the regular black. There's a beige. There is also a plaid version, and then there is the light pink, Atlas pink color that's available. So this large pouch, honestly, when I open it up, it's a little bit larger than what I was anticipating, but I just still really do like it. So let's go through it. So on the front, as you can see, there is this like debossed base logo. It's not raised or anything like that. The letters for the base, it's huge. Personally, I think it's a little bit obnoxious, but I like that it's debossed so far away, it's not as obvious. And then there is just this little tiny base tag right there. There's no fee on this large pouch, But what's nice about it is there are double zippers. So there's a zipper here and then here, because this pouch is currently open. So this is what the back of the pouch looks like. It's just plain. It has like that faux leather look to it. And then when you open it up, it just has a lot of organization. So this back part is just a like regular pouch part, but as you can see, there is this central divider that is also a zippered compartment. And then on this side, it's the other side of the pouch, and then on the wall there is another zippered compartment. So in this one pouch by itself, look how much organization this little pouch has. And let me see if I can show you, but this interior material, it feels like it's like a wipeable like material, and it's like a very thick material. Like when you feel this pouch, it feels very, very well made. You could either put cosmetics in here, you can put stuff, and even if it leaks or makeup, you could easily wipe this material. So I am in love with this. I just wish it was a smidget smaller, but I will make it work because I really like this pouch. And then this is the small pouch, the other one that comes with it. So same thing, it has the Tote Beis logo right there in the front. Still really big and obnoxious, but at least far away it's not as obvious. Here's what the bottom looks like, and then the back is just a plain little pouch. This one has more of a rounded shape, and this one only has a single zipper right there. And then there's the little base logo right there. And then when you open this pouch up, it is kind of just a regular pouch. And then there is a side pocket right here in the pouch. And then as you can see, let me try to open it up and show you. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it is this like wipeable material. This one seems more like a regular pouch to me, but this large one, this one I haven't seen a pouch like made like this with so much organization. So overall, both of these, they feel extremely well made. I absolutely love the pink color. I think both of them for $38 feels like it's a pretty good deal, especially given the high quality of how these pouches feel. I was originally planning on using it as like my emergency like catch-all type of pouch in my purse, but given how large this is, I might have to use this as like my laptop cord holder, like the catch-all for my work-related bag, but we will see. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I would love to have you subscribe along if you like unboxing, if you like seeing very well-made bags from luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, all the way down to more affordable brands, but very well-made brands. I would love to have you join the channel. If you subscribe along, you'll be notified, and you would help my channel grow. Otherwise, have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye.